Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo. What's up? We are at the end of it. At the end of it. Although I don't think it's the end because side A is left. Very smart, by the way, to drop side B. And कितने songs थे? Open letter में 15 थे ना? इसमें 10 हैं. Is he going to, is side A going to have 5 only? Or he's gonna match it with 10 and equal hoga? Actually, when you see cassettes, this is for Gen Z who don't know. Cassettes में you would have a 60-minute cassette, 90-minute cassette, I think even 30-minute, no, 120-minute. 60, 90, 120-minute ऐसे cassettes आते थे. So if it's a 60-minute cassette, you get 30 minutes on one side and 30 minutes recording on the other side. And so on and so forth for the other durations. So it was always half and half, which is why I think if it's 10 on this side, it should be 10 on the other side, just to technically balance it out. Sorry, just and also I realized something. I just took a break after recording the last few songs, which blew my mind. You all saw that. And in the break, I was having chai and I was looking at this album cover and I was like, yeah, this image of Eunice perfectly sums up the vibe of this album. Bhai sahab aise, he's sitting back and he's chilling. He's just हंस रहे हैं, smoke कर रहे हैं. That TY buckle is hilarious. It is. And someone's about to shoot him and he's laughing in the face of death. So it's actually very, very interesting, this cover. And it's depicting so many of his lines. You know, like I'm not scared, I'm not all of that. And मौत से डर नहीं लगता साहब, थप्पड़ से लगता है. Sorry. Finish that sentence for me. You know, it's not Sonakshi Sinha delivering it, it's Eunice. Finish it. मौत से डर नहीं लगता साहब, dash से लगता है. क्या कहेंगे यूनुस साहब? मौत से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है. वही तो बोला था ना. थप्पड़ से डर रही थी. That was the line. Anyway, ठीक है. Let's get to this track. I have heard that a lot of people are loving the title track. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Going into it, I am not keeping any preconceived notions about it. I want to just so Shikwa hai, wo to, going by the title, I can imagine what it's about, but we'll let him tell us what it's about. And lyrics मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ comments में अगर है या नहीं. I just really wonder what vibe Joke is going to give us with the music because sub vibes तो दे दी हैं. Almost sub. 1 second. And lyrics कहाँ है? नहीं देखे, normally वो जो lyric वाला comment होता है वो ऊपर ही आ जाता है ना? यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, okay, मिल गया. ठीक है. Found it. I'll have to scroll all the way down, but ठीक है. Ready? Let's just brace ourselves. 1, 2, 3, play.
क्या ही शिकवा करें फिर, तेरी गलती नहीं है. वो हर गजल से मुतासिर, ये दुनिया जलती रही है. कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है. अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है. क्या मेरी बस हो गई या तू लत है कोई, उम्मीदें सब सो गई, जमीन मगर छत तो नहीं. तेरी भी क्या बस हो गई या कुछ भी तेरे बस में नहीं. बोले मैं सुनता नहीं कभी, तू मेरा रब तो नहीं. न दे वो साथ तो ये साथ लापता है. वो आए बिन बुलाए ऐसे ख्वाब भी ना आए. शाम ही सुबह मेरी रात क्यों ना आए. जहाँ खुशबुएं गुलाब की वहाँ याद तू ही आए. सहारा बने तो किनारा कशी, तेरे बिन मेरा गुजारा नहीं. रौनक नहीं सुनी दिल की गली, मत मतलब कि तूने फिर आना नहीं। क्या ये शिकवा करें फिर, मेरी गलती नहीं है। वो हर गजल से मुतासिर ये दुनिया जलती रही है। कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है। अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है। मुस्कुरा दे अगर वो ये दुनिया रुक सी गई है। कांटे ही इतने राहों में कि बातें चुभती नहीं है। हम छुपाए आँखों में वो तो हंसती रही है। मिलते तुझसे क्या ख्वाबों में रातें कटती नहीं। वो बस्ती जिस दिल में वो बस्ती उजड़ गई। सरोरा भारी क्या सर पे तू चढ़ गई। भी बेशक जितनी वो सारी उतर गई। जब भी तू मेरे लिए दुनिया से लड़ गई। पूछते ना हाल सारे पूछते सवाल। तितलियों के बाग में तो फूल थे हजार, रूप थे हजार, क्या ही लूटते बाजार। देगी वो मिसाल मेरे टूटने के बाद। मैं तेरे इंतजार में हूँ, दिलों में दिमाग में हूँ, किरणों की कतार में हूँ। मैं तेरी हर पुकार में हूँ। चांद बन के छुप गई है पीछे बादलों के। क्या हो चुके गुलाम अपनी आदतों के। खुद से सादगी का वादा सर पे हाथ भी खुदा का। और वो कर चुके शुमार मेरा पागलों में। क्या ये शिकवा करें फिर, मेरी गलती नहीं है। वो हर गजल से मुतासिर ये दुनिया जलती रही है। कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है। अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है।
यार रुलाओगे क्या? होता है। गूज बम्प्स। वेट। Oh man. I just, oof, I just can't. What are these lines? What are these lines? हर एक लाइन को आप बैठ के like 5 मिनट सोच सकते हो. I just love this side of Yunus. Can I just say? It's just, through this side B is a revelation. Not that we didn't know he could ace this. उन्होंने इतना रुलाया है हमें पहले भी. लेकिन ये जो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट है और ऐसे गाने के साथ एंड करना is just, I think, one, I hope what we've kind of seen as a repetitive thought in some of these songs is the, sukoon nahi hai. And somewhere something has happened where his heart is broken fully. Um, and sadgi is another common thing. Sadgi, this is a thing. I don't think I think sadgi is very underrated. I think girls need to understand this more. I think simplicity is more attractive. It's so obvious, even when we hear songs like this, it's so obvious from the other side. To me, it's always obvious. I prefer simplicity over anything, but I think anyway, I'm derailing. My thoughts are going somewhere else. But yeah, so whew, I want to listen to it again. It was just so good. I think I'm just going to do that. ये वैसे भी last गाना है. I'm just going to say loop it. I mean, play it again, and then I'll talk. क्या गाना है? चलो, we must. 1, 2, 3, play. This music.
क्या ही शिकवा करें फिर, तेरी गलती नहीं है। वो हर गजल से मुतासिर ये दुनिया जलती रही है। कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है। अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है। क्या मेरी बस हो गई या तू लत है कोई, उम्मीदें सब सो गई। जमीन मगर छत तो नहीं, तेरी भी क्या बस हो गई, या कुछ भी तेरे बस में नहीं। बोले मैं सुनता नहीं कभी, तू मेरा रब तो नहीं, ना दे वो साथ तो ये साथ लापता है। वो आए बिन बुलाए ऐसे ख्वाब भी ना आए, शाम ही सुबह है नई रात क्यों ना आए। जहाँ खुशबुएं गुलाब की वहाँ याद तू ही आए, सहारा बने तो किनारा कशी, तेरे बिन मेरा गुजारा नहीं। रौनक नहीं सुनी दिल की गली, मतलब के तूने फिर आना नहीं। क्या ये शिकवा करें फिर, मेरी गलती नहीं है। वो हर गजल से मुतासिर, ये दुनिया जलती रही है। कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है, अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है। मुस्कुरा दे अगर वो, ये दुनिया रुक सी गई है। कांटे ही इतने राहों में कि बातें चुभती नहीं है। हम छुपाए आँखों में वो तो हंसती रही है। मिलते तुझसे क्या ख्वाबों में रातें कटती नहीं। वो बस्ती जिस दिल में वो बस्ती उजड़ गई, सरोरा भारी क्या सर पे तू चढ़ गई। भी बेशक जितनी वो सारी उतर गई, जब भी तू मेरे लिए दुनिया से लड़ गई। पूछते ना हाल सारे पूछते सवाल, तितलियों के बाग में तो फूल थे हजार, रूप थे हजार क्या ही लूटते बाजार। देगी वो मिसाल मेरे टूटने के बाद, मैं तेरे इंतजार में हूँ, दिलों में दिमाग में हूँ, किरणों की कतार में हूँ, मैं तेरी हर पुकार में हूँ। चांद बन के छुप गई है पीछे बादलों के, क्या हो चुके गुलाम अपनी आदतों के। खुद से सादगी का वादा सर पे हाथ भी खुदा का, और वो कर चुके शुमार मेरा पागलों में। क्या ये शिकवा करें फिर, मेरी गलती नहीं है। वो हर गजल से मुतासिर, ये दुनिया जलती रही है। कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है, अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है।
So good, man. I was actually not looking at the lyrics this time and just listening to the song, one with your eyes closed and just completely focus on his voice. Oh my God. I just, there's so many emotions भरे हुए हैं इस आदमी के अंदर. I just cannot. He is, and it takes that like, level of like, feeling life on that very like, deep level to be able to write like this. And obviously, like we know one, he lost his mom, and that continues to be like an overarching um unique element of his story that we all know and that we all, um send him all the love and strength for. And it also goes to show because he dropped this on his mother's death anniversary, I think, um the album, so how it's a dedication to her. And it just like I'm just looking at Eunice as an artist, as a person, um on a whole, and I hear a song like this and I'm like, uh who knew at the start? um I think when Young Sana started and when he started and all of like the journey and the kind of hard tracks and the kind of like, um very intense rap, and that whole like rapper side to someone, and that whole like braggadocious and hard hitting verse, all that is great in its own space. Of course, it's part of it. um who knew? I didn't know. I'm just speaking for myself. I didn't know back then that this man has so much in him छिपा हुआ, या वो लाइफ में जैसे जैसे आपके साथ चीजें होती हैं वो आपके अंदर ग्रो होता है. But this kind of writing, this kind of musicality, this kind of emotionality, this the EQ, the emotional quotient is so high in this like, version of TY, that um it makes me think like how beautiful it is to see an artist's journey unfold, right? In real time, especially an artist of this caliber. It's just beautiful because mm, just when you think you can like box someone somewhere, the artist in them just goes and they're like, no, no, just a very confident, quiet, understated, no, you can't box me in anything. I'll show you what I can do and who I am. And who you are is just this beautiful poet. Just this beautiful poet, performer, singer, rapper, artist, everything. It's just beautiful. And this, while the second listen was happening, second play, I was just looking at his album cover again, and I was like, this guy, just look at this. He's got a laugh on his face in the album cover, and his eyes are hidden. His eyes are hidden. You can't tell what's behind that laughing face because what's really behind that laughing face will be visible in the eyes, and he's not showing us his eyes. यू नो सो कितना कुछ छुपाए हुए हैं इस पिक्चर में भी ये भाई साहब ये थॉट मेरे को आ रहा था लेकिन वो सब छुपा हुआ जो है वो सब गानों में निकल रहा है और हमें सुनाई दे रहा है लाइंस में ओहो जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल माय हार्ट गोज आउट टू हिम बिकॉज इट्स सच अ दिस सॉन्ग इज सो या एंड व्हाट वाज दिस साउंडस्केप अगेन I'll say it again. What is happening in this album? He's very quietly dropped it in the middle of the night without any warning, without any teaser, without any announcement. Kuch nahi. Very standard, typical Eunice format, you know. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And he's done that, and then that's it. He's gone. Like how many times I think their manager, I'd messaged her once on Instagram, I think, and once on WhatsApp. And I didn't get a response. And then it kind of now makes sense when I heard Anjum in his last track saying, "Never done a podcast, still a real G." ऐसा कुछ था ना line. So I'm like, maybe ये दोनों ने decide किया है कि हम कभी life में podcast नहीं करेंगे. I don't know, but that's the thing. Like, how do we know? Like, I'm very curious to talk to them because there's so much beyond the music that one wants to know, but one may never come to know. So either way, whatever jhalkis we get to see of them, um, we get to see only in the music. And this is such a beautiful jhalki of who he is. I would have never thought he's so deep. I'm not saying never. Of course not. I take that back. फिर मिलेंगे ने दिखा दिया था बहुत सारे गाए बट बहुत ही um, बहुत ही वो लाइफ को डीपली फील करने वाले चुनाव है he's not just sitting up at night and smoking. Maybe he's doing that also, but he's he's thinking and he's feeling and he's writing and he is expressing and I can't even imagine the kind of like thoughts and things that they have, going on in their minds. It must be just a constant, the wheels are constantly turning. It's just non-stop. Anyway, I'm blabbing. Let's go over the lyrics. There's such beautiful lines here. I just can't. Funnily, the lyrics are posted here by a account called Krishna_Awam. So shout out to Awam as well. Um, क्या ही शिकवा करें फिर तेरी गलती नहीं है क्या ही शिकवा करें फिर तेरी गलती नहीं है वो हर गजल से मुतासिर ये दुनिया जलती रही है कश्तियों के मुसाफिर सबसे बनती नहीं है अपनी खुशियों के कातिल वो समझती नहीं है ओहो and क्या मेरी बस हो गई या तू लत है कोई उम्मीदें सब सो गई जमीन मगर छत तो नहीं तेरी भी क्या बस हो गई या कुछ भी तेरे बस में नहीं बोले मैं सुनता नहीं कभी तू मेरा रब तो नहीं ना दे वो साथ तो ये साथ लापता है वो आए बिन बुलाए ऐसे ख्वाब भी ना आए शाम ही सुबह है मेरी रात क्यों ना आए जहाँ खुशबू है गुलाब की वहाँ याद तू आए सहारे बने तो किनारे कशी तेरे बिन मेरा गुजारा नहीं रौनक नहीं सुनी सुनी दिल की गली मतलब कि तूने फिर आना नहीं then the chorus then मुस्कुरा दे अगर वो this part I think when he said the way he sang मुस्कुरा दे अगर वो ये दुनिया रुक सी गई है कांटे ही इतने राहों में ये बातें चुभती नहीं है गम छुपाए इन आँखों में वो तो हँसती रही है, मिलते तुझसे क्या ख्वाबों में रातें कटती नहीं। वो बस्ती जिस दिल में वो बस्ती उजड़ गई, सर हो रहा भारी क्या सर पे तू चढ़ गई। पी बेशक जितनी वो सारी उतर गई, जब भी तू मेरे लिए दुनिया से लड़ गई। उफ! पूछते ना हाल सारे पूछते सवाल, तितलियों के बाग में तो फूल थे हज़ार। रूप थे हज़ार क्या ही लूटते बाज़ार, देगी वो मिसाल मेरे टूटने के बाद। उफ! मैं तेरे इंतज़ार में हूँ, दिलों में दिमाग में हूँ, कितनों की कतार में हूँ, मैं तेरी हर पुकार में हूँ। चाँद बन के छुप गई है पीछे बादलों के, क्या हो चुके गुलाम अपनी आदतों के। खुद से सादगी का वादा, सर पे हाथ भी खुदा का, और वो कर चुके शुमार मेरे पागलों में। ओहो! यार, दिस वो कर चुके शुमार मेरा पागलों में। Yes, you are both mad. Jokhe and you. What are you doing with this album? Why are you doing this to us? Okay. Eunice is his own genre now. I feel like, there is a reason he's put this side B out with this kind of, the overarching sort of melodic vibe that is there in all these 10 songs. Not every song, but overarching, I'm saying. And he's put it out with a purpose and a mission कि पहले ये सुन कि मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ. Maybe you thought I could, maybe you didn't think I could, but here it is. Have a taste of this offering. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. And takes him into a league of his own, takes him in and makes him a genre on his own. I'm just gonna say it. You know? Honestly, it's a 10 on 10. I'll give it 11 on 10 just for this cover. क्या cover है इसमें कितनी चीज़ें like कितने messages हैं एक ही पिक्चर में. You know what I'm saying? 11 on 10. 11 on 10 is what I'm giving it. Bus. It's just decided. Decided. So freaking good. Jokhe, you are a master. Absolute master at what you do and I can't. आपने क्या किया है इस एल्बम के साथ? आई मीन साइड ए में अभी शायद और देखेंगे हम, लेकिन इसमें इतना वेरिएशन और इतना फिनेस एंड सो मच लाइक just detailing and just so much of like uniqueness with each song and just the way you not just worked at bringing forth Eunice and his like vibe and his message and his zone that he wants to project in his song. The way you've put like your own personal like mark on each song with the instruments and the arrangement and the plucking and the just the detailing is just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait to give my final thoughts once side A is out because there is a lot that needs to be said about this man. So we will wait for side A. I'm guessing jaldi aayegi. And looking at this lyrics that are pinned here by Krishna Awam, I was actually thinking, ki how come we were expecting, when Eunice's project drops, there will be some features from across the border, including obviously his brother, who whose project he himself has appeared on. So then, वो नहीं हुआ, तो then I think all of that is saved for side A. That's my guess. And I don't look forward to a project for its features. I really don't. But one can just guess for fun's sake, है ना? I'm still waiting to see if there's a side A. I'm gonna ask, what if there's no side A? Is that a possibility? No, there has to be a side A. There has to be. Side B is dedicated to his mom. That much we can confirm. Side A किसी और दिन drop होगी. Is there any big milestone date coming up? Do you guys know any date from the Youngster journey? We might get a drop on that date. If you can guess or if you think I'm right, I'm onto something, then leave a comment and tell me. But yeah, how strange. I just saw this comment. Adan 109. Now I know why he released this album on 5 May because he made his channel on 5 May 2016. Now it's 9 years ago. हाँ, पर there must be a reason he made the channel that day. Very nice. यहाँ पे, oh, भाई साहब, a lot of these ब्यूटीफुल। जहाँ खुशबुएं गुलाब की वहाँ याद तू ही आए। Thank you so much for the music. This is beautiful. This whole album is going on loop. My personal favorite, I'm going to say it right now, is Chal Pare, just for the reasons I said in the last video. And I'm not gonna rank my top five. I'm just not, because it's impossible. This is, I know it before I even attempt it. I will not be able to. I will not be able to, and that says a lot about a project. Um, I will not be able to. I will fail miserably. So the whole album on loop. It's 11 on 10 for me. Chal Pare is a standout track, and I just want to say thank you for the music to both TY and Joke and every artist that featured here. Love it. क्या अच्छा साल जा रहा है हमारा. Just cry, so good. Chalo, let me know if you know anything about Side A, when it drops, if it's dropping, if it's never dropping, whatever it is. Let me know what you know and recommend other songs to me there. Do support the channel. That button really helps me out. So I'd really appreciate it. And take care of you. Live long and prosper.
कांटे ही इतने राहों में कि बातें चुभती नहीं है गम छुपाए इन आँखों में वो तो हंसती रही है मिलते तो